check. So leo hii nitakuwa nafanya revision ya paper fulani hapa. I'll be doing some revision of our paper and I'll be concentrating on the physical science part. So kama una shida na physical science, then this is the right place ambapo inatakikana ukue. This is a CBT paper and kuonyesha ni CBT ya 2016. CBT ya 2016. Let me take us through the physical science part ya hii paper, ili kwamba ukifanya hii exam next utapass. Define the following terms. Unaona hapo, define the following terms, niongeza hapo ikuwe kubwa, and then we'll be able to move. Atom. Hili swali limekuwa likileta watu wengi shida. So atom is the smallest particle of an element. Smallest particle of an element. Hiyo ni kitu inaitwa atom. Element is a simplest substance, that cannot be split by any chemical means. Yeah, that's what we call an element. And then compound. Two or more substances chemically combined. Those are what we call compounds. Structure of an atom. This is one of the questions ambayo inarudiwa sana na usipokuwa kinita kusumbua. Structure of an atom. Structure of an atom, jan kweke pale. Structure of an atom. Structure of an atom. So an atom inakuwa na electron shell ya nje, alafu inakuwa na nucleus pale ndani, so inaitwa electron shell, na inaitwa nucleus. So in the nucleus we have neutrons and protons. So and outside here we have electrons. So hapa nje kuna electrons and then kuna protons P, alafu na neutrons N. I think hapo umeona iko clear. Describe the structure of an atom. Naona kama ungeandika tu hivyo, that an atom is made up of a nucleus and a cloud of electrons, whereby the nucleus has protons and neutrons, while the electrons surround the nucleus, and then hapo ungekuwa poa. I've done the experiment to distinguish between acids and bases in a laboratory. Outline an experiment to distinguish between acids and bases in a laboratory. So in this case, we know that acids react with metals. Acids react with metals to liberate gas. When a metal reacts with when a metal reacts with an acid, one of the products is a gas, that one there. So you could write like a metal plus acid to give you a salt plus a hydrogen gas. Yeah, hydrogen gas. Now that is for the sake of an acid. Now how do you distinguish a base? So in a laboratory, if you react a metal plus a given substance and that substance gives a gas, then you would say that is an acid. Now let's go to a base. We know that a base reacts with an acid. A base reacts with an acid to give salt and water as the products. So you could stage an experiment whereby you could have your acid first, and then you have your test base which you react with that acid, and if one of the product is water, then you'll be well off. Now tuko tumemalizana hiyo part. Let's go to 4 properties of a base, that question yenye iko pale, the 4 properties of a base. Let's go to 4 properties of a base. Properties of a base. Yeah, properties of a base. First of all, it is beta. This one. 2, it has a soapy feel. Yeah, it is somewhat slippery when slippery touch. Yeah, ukiguza unaona ni kama inateleza. And then 3, reacts with acids to give salt and water. As products. Number 4, it's corrosive. It's corrosive. So those are the 4 properties ambazo kama ungehitaji kuweka ungeweka hivyo. Describe 2 methods of separating a mixture of 2 solids. Describe 2 methods of separating a mixture of 2 solids. So you remember in separation of mixtures, separation of 2 solids, tuandike pale, separating of 2 solids. 2 solids, how can you separate them? Unaweza tumia kitu ya kwanza ni magnet, yeah, magnetic separation method, and the other one kulikuwa na winnowing, alafu pia kulikuwa na hand picking. Yeah, kulikuwa na several methods, so you can apply whichever method una feel itakufaa. Differentiate between a chemical change and a physical change. Now tuanze na chemical change. A change in which there are new properties developed. Distinct from those of constituents. Yeah, this is a chemical change. Now we go to a physical change. It can be a change of state. Which can be reversible. a change of state which can be reversible, and there are no new properties. No new properties developed. There are no new properties developed. Next, let's check. Tutamalizia hii ya state info basic physical quantities and their SI units. Basic physical quantities and their SI units. Basic physical quantities. Basic physical quantities ni vitu kama mass, length, kuna temperature. Kitu kingine yenye inaweza kuwa nayo in that case ni unaweza kuwa nayo ni kama time ya luminous intensity. Yeah, these are some of the basic physical quantities. So mass is measured in kilograms, length is measured in meters, temperature is measured in kelvins, time is measured in seconds, and luminous intensity is measured in candela. So those are the questions ambazo tumeweza kuchiba. So now let's see each other in another video. Thank you for kuwa nami in that video. See you. Kama hujasubscribe, unaweza subscribe hapo, unaweza share pia link. Pia usijisahau join Telegram channel ambapo tutakuwa tuna post hizi notes zote zenye niko natengeneza, nitazi scan and then nitaweka pale Telegram channel. Bye for now. Kama kuna question yote pia unaweza kumbuka uni ask pale, alafu itakuwa tuko sawa. See you. Bye.